Hi, Barbie. Hi, I'm Marna. This is the Dolls Rescue Channel, and today, along with Dory's Dollies, we're bringing you the Sweethearts Barbie Challenge. And that could be anything. Show an outfit, have a setup with Ken or a whole party, however you want to do that. I would just like to show you this dress again that I got as a Happy Mail from Playful Reborns. Penny at Playful Reborn. She even sent these shoes. And I love those hot pink shoes. Look at the trim and everything on this dress. She did say she bought it from Etsy, but I just had to show it off one more time. And today seemed like the perfect day. I love the trim especially, and those gold metallic hearts. Love it. Thank you again, Penny. If you have a Hi Barbie video today, would you please leave it in my comments so that I do not miss a single one? Be sure and go by Dory's at Dory's Dollies. Be sure to subscribe to all the channels you go to today. Leave likes and leave comments. Even if it's just a smile or hi Barbie, just put hi Barbie. We need to support one another. Thank you for watching the Dolls Rescue Channel. Again, thank you, Dory. Please leave a like, a comment, and subscribe.